to my channel. Today I have a very quick and easy look for you. So let's get on right ahead. Happy New Year, by the way. I hope your holidays were very fun, interesting, and you enjoyed spending time with your family. I have a brow tutorial up if you'd like to see that, and I would link it in the cards up above for anyone interested in knowing how I get my brows looking the way that they look. So brows done. Next I'm just going to be setting my eyelids and going ahead to the eyeshadow. I'm just setting my brow bone with a skin tone color and going into this pink shade from BH Cosmetics palette. I'm just going to use that to buff that into my crease as my transition color. I used very few shades for this eyeshadow look and it was very easy, but also came out very nice. Next, going into this black eyeshadow, I'm just going to use that to cut the crease, but just to define the crease a little bit to give the eyeshadow look some more extraness. Going back into that skin color shade, I'm just going to set the eyelids. And now to the star of the show, this blue liner, I'm going to make a wing as I would normally do, and it just gave the look a little more extraness and made it look like we tried even if we really didn't. Next, some mascara, and that is the eyes. Going into this random pair of lashes, I'm just going to put that on and also going to apply this face glow all over my face, which also acts as kind of a primer. And yeah, next going into my foundation, I'm just going to dot that all over my face and buff that in as well. Yup. How was your new year? Comment down below. Tell me if you gained weight, you lost weight, you enjoyed the holiday. Because I did. Next, just going to buff that all in as you see me doing. Make sure to take your time when you're buffing your foundation because you don't want any streaks. You don't want your neck to be a different color, your face to be a different color. Next, going into the concealer, I'm just going to highlight the points of my face that I want to bring light to, like my under of my eyes, my forehead, my nose, my chin, and also chisel out my jaw. Going into the beauty blender, I'm also just going to buff that out. And I didn't speed up or edit out this part. This is exactly like how long it takes me to blend out like my concealer. I just take my time with it. About 30 seconds. You just want to concentrate it where you need to conceal your dark circles, your eye bags, and don't be too heavy handed with it. Just pat and move and you get the most coverage and you get also a very seamless look, like so. Yeah, moving on to the next eye, just blending it all out as you see me doing. Next, taking the butt of the beauty blender, I'm just going to use that to blend out the rest of the face, like my nose and the jawline and my forehead. Next, mixing these two powders, I'm going to link it down or list it down below rather. That's going to be my setting powder for all the places that I highlighted to make sure that I don't crease and the concealer doesn't settle into fine lines and we don't look oily like a pan, I don't know, like a pancake, or I don't know what's oily. Pancakes are not oily. What am I saying? I don't know. Next, going to just contour my face with the Coastal Scents shadow in Chocolatier. That is going to be like my contour / bronzer shade to just bring back some dimension into my face. My face doesn't look 2D but 3D instead. Next, also going to chisel out my nose as well, and I usually blend it into the front of my brow. Next, going into another powder mixture. I'm just going to use that to set the rest of my face and also dust off the baking powder that I put on my face earlier. I'm just going to blend out everything all in one so it becomes seamless. Next, going into that pink shade, I'm just going to use that as my blush color, and that was the same color that I used in my crease because sometimes, you know, if you listen to me ranting, I'm always talking about tying the look together. Using that same pink shade, I'm just going to be buffing down into my lower lash line to balance out the eyeshadow, so your eyeshadow on the top is not so heavy and then the lower lash line looks bare. and going back in with some mascara. And to give the look a little extraness, I also went in with this eye art and put some glitter in the tear duct area. Next, just lining my lips with this NK kind of purple, dark purple lip liner, and also going in with this nude lipstick. That was the look, guys. Very easy, very simple, but you know, it looks like you tried and you look glam. I hope you enjoy. And oh yeah, why do I forget highlighter? Yes, going into this J-Cut highlighter and just, you know, going overdose, just, you know, ODing on the highlighter. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.